Today we are going to be working the verb shariba, drink. Let's start off with 4 examples. يشرب الماء بسرعة. He drinks water quickly. يشربون الشاي الساخن. They drink hot tea. يشربان الدواء. They both drink medicine. يشرب الكثير من العصير. He drinks a lot of juice. Now we are going to conjugate the verb shariba. We will begin with the first person, meaning when you are talking about yourself. أنا أشرب. I drink. نحن نشرب. We drink. The present tense carries all the time a prefix at its beginning. I drink, أنا أشرب. The prefix is a. And we drink, نحن نشرب. The prefix is na. As you notice, the prefix of the verb and the pronoun share the same first letter. أنا أشرب. نحن نشرب. أنت تشرب. You drink, masculine singular. أنت تشربين. You drink, feminine singular. أنتما تشربان. You drink, masculine dual. أنتما تشربان. You drink, feminine dual. أنتم تشربون. You drink, masculine plural. أنتن تشربن. You drink, feminine plural. The letter ta at the beginning of the verb is a prefix that indicates that the verb is in the second person. It means that you are talking to someone. أنت تشرب. You drink. As you notice, the prefix of the verbs and the pronouns share the letter ta. هو يشرب. He drinks, singular masculine. هي تشرب. She drinks, singular feminine. هما يشربان. They both drink, masculine dual. هما تشربان. They both drink, feminine dual. هم يشربون. They drink, masculine plural. هن يشربن. They drink, feminine plural. In general, the letter ya at the beginning of the verb is a prefix that indicates and means that you are talking about someone. هو يشرب. He drinks.